alada stage ro ka asak highlighted chini kanmung chungmung ba asak tam sanai highlight khaija gya ba kon jaga khopsa gya ang nayuta hanke am onek disheartened feeling go hanke throughout my journey no ang ani tripura ni je ang funuk manu je represent khaimano joto tribe chini or to masa tribe ni ya onekta tribe tongo sang onekta je tongmani tribe no ang cover khaina ni koshish khainai ani pageant industry hota. Women empowerment is just not just a movement but it's a mindset. তাই women empowerment কোনো কাইসা কতাল জিনিস আছে চং অবনো মানে কাইসা দেখে যে সানাই যে অমন তা মনা আছে হাইলাইট খাইতং but this is very important thing for society for women to have her own decision in her life. I'm a very spiritual and again religious person. Ang onek spiritual ang cerai ni simin matai rok onek pujo ang ekdom cerai like 3-4 বছর ni simin ang sketch khayo ani hobbies ka sketching hangkai ang harok bai bo jinis namo like idols rock sanamo ta hangkai cerai ni simin ani kaisa matai no te ani onek belief tongo
khulumbai kya norono haino hai lamsog phiro ani kothok podcast ni katala episode so au tinang nong bagai katala episode 25 ka tini sino episode sin narai motomungkha bongkha belai no special person bongkha sini miss sini bukhukjak sini sister Arya Debbarma bo khorokcha beauty pageant industry o samung khainai borok bo ya prisajak bo 2022 rong simno bo o haporo ya prisajak nge bo this year ro luckily bo sini state no represent khaina thangtongo kaisa beauty pageant competition no abongkha miss grand india a competition no bo represent khainai sini state no nge abo simia o episode ni bisingtei nor khananai bini chraifur ni simi bini childhood ni simi tabok jorate bini je struggles rong baike bo overcome khaikya je challenges rok bin life je phaimano baike bo overcome khaikya baike bo nijino bini thinangno bo yagotui bo agogoi himitong abo tini sing saimannai gang teasa kok lere bui let's start our podcast. Ulangan sistema LAMSOGO ni podcast ng bahay tamo.
Ang kaham na tong dara. Thank you so much for having me in your podcast. And yeah, this is my first podcast ever, so I'm really excited yet very nervous for the upcoming, conversation.
Like HAMBAI sister ga plan on request kene na kindly nim sumudia HAMBAI sakena.
Okay. Kulumka animung Arya Debbarma. Ang kaisa model, artist, actor, tai pageantry enthusiast. Tai currently ang ani BTech khaitongo Naris ni hoite Arunachal Pradesh. Tai ang Mumbai bo based. Ang ani kamrok Mumbai khayo. Tai like ang Agartala bo kam khai ang Agartala bo kam khayo. So yeah, that's about me. And ang ani background hangkang ke I came from a family where medical and engineering industries look up to more rather than which field I'm working right now, which is modeling industry. So ang shop shomoy no ano encourage khaijak mani je engineering ba medical field to thana bagay. So abo no ani kaisa journey tong mani se ang outcome khai phaika ani dream no chase khaina bagay.
This is an sakaza only no especially professional line medical doctor will be encourage khai kun mai convince khai ko buina no se taru step nai kamon in convince
convincing in the sense ang convince khaina ni kaisa situation or environment to tsunami man liya. It's just that ang ani kam no te onek encourage tong mani ang ani dream no te onek encourage tong mani so very beleno serious like onek ani kaisa no goal tong mani je ang kunu angna nang nai and ani bekhau kaisa tong je ang kom age no ang kunu mungsha sa ko success ang ifunok na mo chungo so abono ani kaisa tong mani so environment convincing khaina ni moto tong maya I just go through those struggling phase. I'm still struggling. It's not like ang struggle phase par khai paika. so yeah ang tikeno choli phaika ani kam khai phaika even though ang ani parents rok ni hoite ani family member ni hoite mocking rok man kha kubang man kok khana ka but still ang kam khai ka and still khanaw no tango support in the sense they are still processing my journey to accept this new thing because joto no doctor engineer like online no mamang si professional line teacher professor so I'm still on the process of getting the acceptance.
Ang hope kayo lo accept kayo nang insistante kasi important ko sa mga mga kata tas ang life mo joto no struggle kayo do mana san pinpoint ki kasi di siya nai mi tenang baik kasi strong di siya nai makan ni na asal kong moro no ang awon kasi nai mali no di siya na ako ni ini filosofi kaya sa kanang las tamla ba no important sini early career to di siya nai makan kaisa jinis ani ora ang belay no appreciate kayo abong kay ang self dependent ang like ono borok ni oro depend ang na ni onek I don't really appreciate ang buinobo saoje self depend ang na ni onek important kaisa jinis if jodi nang self dependent ing mai hangkang ke nang kuno success pa kuno dream no nugi tong fana nang abon bagi kam khai manglak so ang ako decision nana ni hingkang ke ang onek self dependent tongkha cherani simino and ang class 7 rom naili ang class 7 ni hoito no I started working as a content creator in social media okay social media ang content creating khaika after simi hingkai I started getting a little exposure out there in the industry Agartala like Tripura as a whole ang takfan exposure maya ko but phatar ni jaga wa ang exposure manjak sana thangkai but chini jaga ni borok abono still outlook khai tongo so angam tikeno kam khaimang I came to a point ki ang ani self need ni bagi ang ani parents rong no shana ni ba financial support ang mane bukuk peri shana nangli yata so ang amtike self dependent tongai ang sakshak ni decision manna ni kaisa power hold khaika so that's one key that my parents started to not mocking me that much and also borok kisa maybe appreciate khaika na jang saksak kuno khai tongo so that's the main thing ani decision making ni part of hayuta Well, campus list. This is Rana Pulan Sound Sunangan in Tabakin and 4 years na peasant representing. Kan special test namu sunta tahu peasant trio tanung jauh dari kaitung. Ambil Pulan aku best success tong. Aku nanti nasun kes tak kan tahu kalau tamu participate kain belum. Ani audience sunan kes tak dah. Jadi preparation process kes tak dah.
So firstly no ang ani pageant chengma kai 2022 2022 ang start khai kani pageant industry o step rinani first pageant ang kha ang khai mani Miss Sonabis 2022 among kha mega entertainment by tamna associated kaisa pageant
All India level
among ke northeast nisimi amuta Ngkai mega entertainment no kaham no shiniza go because porok ni main page nangka Sunsilk Mega Miss Northeast tai Satwet Mega Miss Northeast so ang neristo poritongo neristo kaisa Mr Miss Sonabis ni ko khaisa gota ngke mega entertainment rok thangi borok apono manage khayo first ani patient amongkha so borok ano emon ke groom khaika chini grooming session aske enjoyable like onik enthusiastic tong mani so it was my first time but I have learned a lot of things I have went to top 5 but ang winner ang imanlia afro but kaisa subtitle man kha Miss Best Talent hangkai ang amobay na onik sakshak kaisa encouragement man kha yet kaisa ko mane self belief phaika plus ang aboni pore tai bo mochung kha jang patient to thanani So 2023 again ang same pageant ang tesa khaika do, but again I couldn't win. But mega entertainment ni Abhijit sir heni masa tongo bona founder, but bo ani encouragement roknu goi onek chaza kha onek bo nijini student mane nijini boro khni ano mani na kha. So bo anas haka nang winner ang maya fano ang no ani kaisa fashion week ango Garnier fashion show hone. So bo haka like nang aro ang no as a model ang no himri namu chung hone. So amo ang yakho so ang amro khnai ta encouragement man kha. So 2024 of haye ang Miss Universe India 2024 for audition rekha. Audition marika audition rekha okay. It was a long process because chini Miss Universe India ang kaisa like borok state wise no franchise ri do state wise franchise ri rekhangkai but chini Tripura ni hoite hangang ke kya boss franchise na hanai kare chini franchise na hanai kare hangang ke kaisa issue thanga jin Tripura audition ri maya. So first link no chini Tripura ni borok ni pa ke hinke Assam thangi audition reject na ni angkha option ri khata because ke bo director tong mani ya. So am tekhe no ang Assam thangi Guwahati thangi audition rekha audition ri mani pore hinkai ang masa no contestant tong mani Tripura ni hoite. So Assam ni 13 jona tong mani ke Tripura ni masa no tong mani okay ang audition rekha ani personal interview ro joto naja kha. So borok sao je online ta sana phinai because contestant to kare okay masa no to it will be a unfair game according to them. So online audition na kha okay masa tong mani like maybe 4 jona audition rekha abo ne Tripura ni hoite 4 jona audition rekha okay abo ne bisingo ang winner ngi manliya time masa ama bishing go ngi paikha winner rangkha Kolkata o tongnai masa Chainika Deepna thani tongmani bo winner rangkha ang maybe as a runner up consider khaisa khata Miss Universe India 2024. So this 2025 ang like Instagram o tabuk onek no tongo pages je borok jungno onek support khayo chini edits roksa namo jung ta encourage khayo pageant thanani. So ang tabuk Miss Grand India 2025 o thangai batana nai tongo. So it started like that ang onek encouragement man kha pages rokni hoite Miss Grand ani mind tong mani ya jang khai nai because Miss Universe India o ang thanani ani kaisa muchung man tong mani agini simino chereni simino amo alada among khe Miss Grand India aro Miss India chiti thangke Miss Grand International thangai ma batai firnai. So amti no and moreover 2024 Miss Grand India International thangi first time India jiti phaika. So omo tau Miss Grand India jeta kisa hypo tongi tongo Indian paika last year Indian paika for the first time history wo. So tabuk o pageant kisa hypo tong ta. So that's the reason ang tai exposure mani tongo tai encouragement mani tongo tai kamrok mani tongo amtin tani journey amtin thangi tong smooth thangi tongo tabuk
serang mana ang first time ni orang comments mang kado pageant yang ni serang kalau tamu post peke orang ni nanya orang sung tong ta mana abang mana sama sama dalam sin society ni stigma boleh makan orang pun apa kai mana kamu pera ta mana career teri api dalam itu mana kapan orang sama pageant juga ऐसे career apa enggak jama na pageant apa alada kita marah macam
pageantry angkha যেমন কি tam sanai historical way ni hoite no woman empowerment ni kaisa woman empowerment actually ama tabuk se okho kaisa term woman empowerment ni but historical way na na thang kangke woman rok asak chungbri rok asak exposure maya asak opportunities maya life even in daily basis daily life woman does not have that power to do something. So pageant ang kha kaisa sana thang ke brirong ni hoite no chengja kha. So first I think Miss Universe Miss World omorok onek prestigious pageant sana thangkai so omo onek age ni simi nongi phayo it's just that northeast ni engi thangai nang jodi no compete khaina nai kha amoni in bage kisa difficult ango sana thangkai India wo because pageant wo ko মানে বাগ সাগি থাঙ্গো যে মিস ইন্ডিয়া লাইক ফেমিনা মিস ইন্ডিয়া থাঙ্কাং কাংকে যে উইনার রংনাই বিনি লুক কিসা টিপিক্যাল ইন্ডিয়ান টাইপ না নাংনাই like something that not northeastern look Indian look nangnai the Indian look amo bo kaisa stigma no sai mano because Indian to kaisa diverse country so every look should be appreciated and accepted I reckon that because जों नर्थ इस्ट निंगै कायसा कैरियर शनामाया because chini borok tangi ama sang bujiu because che tabuk suk त्रिपुरा ने হয়তো থাঙ্গাই কাইসা অনেক কাহাম কাইসা কাম খাই কাদো বাট বড় এক্সপোজার মায়া জীবন আসক ওয়ার্ক অপরচুনিটিস মায়া বিকজ আমো তঙ্গো পার্শিয়ালি তঙ্গো ইন্ডাস্ট্রি যত ইন্ডাস্ট্রি কম্পিটিশন অনেক নো টাফ তঙ্গো পেজেন্ট প্লাস হানা থাঙ্কে ইটস নট অনলি অ্যাবাউট পেজেন্ট ইন্ডাস্ট্রি ইভেন ডেইলি লাইফ যেমন কি নং টিচার ফানং দি ইঞ্জিনিয়ার ডক্টর ফানং দি নং যে জায়গা ফানো পার্শিয়ালিটি নুক নাই নো পার্শিয়ালিটি তমো তামস হানাই কাইসা মোল্ড সিং থাঙ্কা সোসাইটি ও so career shanam na hanke nang nije no se polish ma khai nai nije no polish khai kai se nang complain rikun lab kare because nang jodi no asak shine khai funuk na mo chung khang kai plus amo chini yago boya jeng jasa pa na hard work khai tang ni jodi bong ni kaisa mindset to tong je this winner should be certain this way certain amti mang nai so amo chini kuno fault kare abo disheartened angi to kuno lab kare because disheartened ang nai no that's a phase amo parangi thanai so amo by ni jini no suppressed khai kuno you know no logic is there so yeah that's what I will say about this
bale kama system ka any song system no present to kaise competition competition to borok fail rejection man psychological background na depression man na ka woni tien kaise na mo sumta ante face jeflung tongo back deal hai nung bo ya nung industry jara tongo so important of face no line ani
as an individual ang je ang kaisa bipolar patient I have faced a lot of mental health issues ang ani childhood because a traumatic tong mani so amo ani current phase ano onek disturb khaika as a student ang hostel lo sai chung tongo amti ko class khayo so mental health kaisa onek important part like onek play khayo tani ni life je you have to maintain that also but people around us never understand that like borok ni jibo go through khai tong mental health issues amo borok saimia je that should be highlighted acknowledge khaya a jinish no like borok andekha khaisho so borok rok no sao hai mok rok khayo kai amno sa ang ani tabuk je ang pageant to thangi batai tongmani bo ani main motto ani je ang tam sanai mental health awareness no tuino ang bisi highlight khaitlang tongo mental health awareness tai animal wellness so thangi ang bisi kok chai tongo ta so ang mani je mental health awareness onek nango because amo bai se nang nini all over physical health po chai tong nani so the mental health si chaya hanke ni physical health bo ultimately chaya nong thanai so patient to thangai batai na bage kaisa face to onek struggle khaina nango nini sai onek ka ham contestants tong nai nini sai no tam sanai support khai nini contestant tong nai nini contender but that doesn't mean ki nang tam sanai abono nang buniko khnai ni mental health no disturb khane ni kono dorkar kare but nang niji no polish khane nang nai on throughout the way so abo no kaisa way ki nang office no line ani plus struggle no suppressed khane ni I would say
gan ini ofil tata ini mentor sabu ya kan sama mahal ini role model sabu ni dong
Okay.
yes masai
Ani role model ang amti ko wansuk jaga je masa borok tongo hinai, but I would say Priyanka Chopra is a very good mentor for me because bini je kok shamung ja self kaisa ko tongmani potential tongmani bo ni jina kaisa bhaike present khailu kuni bas kango banok onek inspire khayo, but that's a little conversation kisa aladang thango like inspiration e phai payo, but sana thanke there is no mentor or someone I look up to in my journey because ang nije ni struggle asak ani struggle se asak bangi tango je ang society na sana ni ke sabaya, so ang nije no kaisa romina ho je I can also inspire people through what like any life journey ani ta ang tam tham go through khai ka ang hai bo tai masa borok tong nai ang hai bo tai masa borok tong nai je bo same situation go through khai tong, so of course ang kaisa platform mang khang kang ke ang abona sana mo chung nai je ani journey no tino ang borok no inspire khai na mo chung nai, not that ang ke bo alada winner ba successor history wo tong nai boni bumung no highlight khai nai, but ang niji no highlight khai no ang amti khe no kuchu ko kana mu chungu ta
le kan sa ke this is hanya sung nai te abu nunga patient tin sung nai ta mo sa ka ni career jani te din bai ma tong nung sin state represent khai jong sin to kan represent khai jong tin abu ni pore bo tam achieve khai nang chu tai nang society no tam ro nang chu ni sam ni te tam ro wan chu
Chini Tripura wo hungkai modeling industry sana thangke awna taisa outlook khaisa godo hungkai so asuk support system was strong ya ekdom ya, but tabuk sana thangke I can see a lot of people working on their own to make breads for themselves. Borok kaisa life it's not only about earning or having that financial courage to work in this field, but kaisa support system tong khangke encouragement sak ni amo haino ultimately phai payo, so nije ni bisingo chungwala lai ba masha hamya salai amtike chung jibono upgrade angai manglak because naidi buini status halayo hinlayo hanpano kaisa unity tongo bisingo borok abona suppressed khaina ria ba phatar ni borok no, so ang abona sanamo chungje tin chini Tripura ni borok je tabuk aspiring models by aspiring pageant enthusiast nije no industry wo outshine khaina ni nai tongo borok no support rinane onek dorkar
morally pantan
bong no support rinane onek dorkar because of his chung mental health no taisa sana thangke chung onek cool down ke tona nango because there is a lot of thing going on chini journey wo onek kis choli tongo family ni hoite ko khana na nango father ni bo hoite bo khana na nango chung jaise ki chung mungsa post khari kang ke bo chung a comments ro bo thangke chung disturbing thango enke angabo na je chin support system kisa strong ang tung Tripura ni hoite plus masa Tripura ni hoite ang thangi represent khana ni amo ani onek garv tongota nijewo ki ang Tripura kaisa asuk gilama borok ni bisingo ang masa thangi represent khai tongo ke abono ani kaisa proud reason that tangs ani state no represent khaina musungo tai overall in the sense ang ani kanmun chumung rong no bang onek highlight khaina musungo throughout my journey, so that Tripura ka kaisa state che onek hacha like onek kuna was hana thangang ke northeast ni
we overlook it
no sino kya like ala the states ro ka asak highlighted chini kanmung chungmung ba asak tam sanai highlight khaija kya ba kon jaga khopsa kya ang nayuta hanke am onek disheartened feeling go hanke throughout my journey no ang ani Tripura ni je ang funuk mano je represent khaimano joto tribe chini or to masa tribe ni ya onek ta tribe tongo sang অনেকটা যে যে তংমানি ট্রাইব না আনকভার খাইনানি কোশিশ খাইনাই ani pageant industry hota
Sisa nang sarang kasi costume nung yang kes nang musuh kata tanung pageant juga to costume nunggu kan maro contestant nung ta enggak pun maro nih jinda senam nung kebo background kebo nang stop nih designer guys apa nih je cost of nong ke biar mah kayaknya bu sponsor kayak kisah pun setup semua kes kayak gitu
puila thangi national pageant to thangai compete khaina hangkai no chi first round hangke national costume ngo so national costumes namna thangkai chungni je bo design khaima no chini mu chung matei but jodi no nang kaisa designer no hire khai nang ni designer no whole all over nang design khai na mu chung ke nang khari manu but nini sak potential tongke ba nang sak design khai mun jaise ki ang ani national costume ni jeno design khai tongo ang design khai ka ang sketch khai ka ang tabuk abo on the process ang abon shanamri butongo so delio masa tongo seed effects nei kaisa designer ta hangkai bong aro national costume onek quarter onek giant tongo do hangke I'm just only preparing the ani je main ri hinchana hangke ang amno ang nijino prepare khaina koshish khai tongo but je props rok tongo je you know thermocol rok besanamna nango metal rok besanamna nango aji jinishonke ang kisa asak stress na oi masa borok nioro handle kharena mujung tongto but abon bagi bachang kaisa ko financial kaisa strong gotong foundation tongna nango so amo chini kok bai simi chung sake angya because financial bo onek quarter role play khayo kaisa compete khana thanke pageant to so onek sana thanke state wise borok onek encounter now nijini winner nota state winner no now encounter now je chung bini kharcha ba chung bini sponsorship omtit narak nai but tripura a jinish kare collaboration work khani karita collab khainai ba sponsor khainai chini borok note ba chungo no represent khai tongma ba a jinish kare asak tai ang tripura ningai ang asak support maya ko so abonota financial chungni jeno berma khayo tai asak joto borok rokbo thangi jotono no approach khaina ni asak power kari je will you be able to sponsor me for this will you be able to help me throughout my journey national costumer thangka abong kangke 50,000 is 2 lakhs ora thang mano okay am 50,000 is 2 lakhs amni ni costume no te depend khayo ta jesak tor nai asak no rang thanai am tita
money matter khaite
onek matter khayo tai pageant dang khamo nang ekdin thangai compete khaphane am tia kono mostly pageant no ek mas ma tongo 2 mas ma tongo kono jagao je ang tag miss grand india thang tong arong ke 10 days ni tong nai ta duration 10 days ni tong nai inke 11 day thangai finale eng nai inka 10 days no onek bangi tong khanai di chung salsa deo se chung 3-4 ta ri rokma shlayo inke all designer dresses designer gown tamo nang nai inke onek financially onek kisa strong na nango or thang nang kangke po so abono kisa mind na ra ke ma ko ta nijeni capacity bujino kam ma khayo
এখন বেস্ট wishes on sisa best no tau kasi sab sa kam pas kaya tau nor of filo sana bang social media was an important platform play
social media to kaisa jinis che chung no achuk te no chung chini voice no ko khaima no like social media kaisa jinis amno onek kaham ke handle khaina ni rengna nangna because nang amno kaham ke handle khaya ga ni নিজেনো ব অকো খায় ডিস্টার্ব খায়ও অনেকটা জিনিস ন ফাইনাই নি নরে নন বরক আউটলুক খাইনাই নন বরক হামে চায় সানাই বাট আমো নং নিজে নিজে বুঝিবই নারাক না নাংনাই তা সো সোশ্যাল মিডিয়া অনেক কটর ন রোল প্লে খায়ও বিকজ আমনি থ্রোতে সে চিং সিনে যাগো আমনি থ্রোতে সে চিন এক্সপোজার মানো সো অনেক কটর রোল ন প্লে খায়ও সোশ্যাল মিডিয়া
no na quizás question correction zone.
Okay.
Then tam sama so sin society woman empowerment jadi kayaknya nanti sin society tam kayaknya na. So nang kita sini ya. Overall woman itu.
Overall.
Tam kayaknya sa society. Ini take side.
Women empowerment is just not just a movement, but it's a mindset. তাই women empowerment কোনো কাইসা কতাল জিনিস আছে চং অবনো মানে কাইসা আমতিকে যে সানে যে অমন তা মনা আছে হাইলাইট খাইতং but this is very important thing for society for women to have her own decision in her life. So masa khoroksa bere bini life for decision নাই মাই হাঙ্কাঙ্কে আমো বিনি মাইন্ডসেট অনেক ডিস্টার্ব খায়ো বিনি লাইফ টাইম আমো তরক থাঙ্গো হেঙ্কে খরকসা বরে এঙ্গৈ সালসা সুকমা কাইজাকনাই কাইজাগৈ ফ্যামিলি মা খাইনাই সো কাইজাগৈ যে ফ্যামিলি খাই তংনা নিব অনেক কত কাইসা রেসপন্সিবিলিটি এই ম্যানেজমেন্ট খাইনানি রেসপন্সিবিলিটি ওমেন নঙ্গে আছে ফানে না কাইসা রেসপন্সিবিলিটি তাই women empowerment tangi highlight khaijak tabuk ni dino hungkai because agini jamana ni simi no chana thangke chelarok onek no opportunities mano. It's not that ang chelarok no amti haime cha shai tong but opportunities bong bagi open. They have power to do something in their life according to what they want. But berirong no hungkang ke নগতনি রিজাগো and amti nota women empowerment onek important because women ng khakaisa beriborok je no achari nai no berikering angke there is no generation. Yeah, there is no generation afterwards. So nang bonus is suppress khai tong khang angke bahke ni up generation bahke kong naisa amunota. So yeah, women empowerment should be like overlooked. Abono onek se highlight khana nango chana thangangke.
Kita kan system no koi nei ke nang sin nai kong no especially sin youth lalu Gen Z dokter sin Gen Z kata saya no bong tame kok salam so present juga live botan in general jeneng addition je nama lo so important banget ya dan bong tame advice listen semua ya suggestion in opinion share things
Gen Z rok nang abono sanamu sungu je when your parents say something to you to do something certain things to go through that you should be not overlooked by that. You should respect what they are saying because like ammonia je nang nin ma baba ba nin parents nin family member nin sai agini generation hinke nang doesn't mean ki bor no sanai je nang shia nang kunu bujiklak amtiya of course borok shia bujia nang abono bujiri na nang nai nang abono sana nang nai abon te bongno like you know awareness mari nai. So that's the way only that they will understand you. So amtikhe no process, everything has a process no go through khayangke kuno fruits maya even nang bufang no kai khangangke bufang no nang onek well being ke nang maintain khaisi tarpore se nang fruits mano. So amti no, so you should never overlook your what parents says or your family member says nini elder one no tam sai dang abono suppress khana ni there is no logic behind that. You should be respecting that nang kuno kok sana nang ya just abono nang khanai tong khangangke you will come to that age ki nang bujinai like borok thik na sai tong mani. So abono ta amon nang kaisa face like face tong joto life face tong maturity bhai ke amon bujio bokrogo. So yeah, amo ongnai no but yeah that's my suggestion to the Gen Zs right now.
Necesary nung competition ang pamanon sa mga soda ng success no bhai ke you success ni bagay
success jotoni bagay alada nongo success jeman ki ang ani success hana thangke ang self depend ang mani no ang an bagay kasi success ni romi manu because am kaisa jinis ang cherayo tong mani an chere fruit tong mani ani jinis a jinis kri tabuk ani ro tongo that's another success. So abo no ta success abo nang nijini bahake romina nai amo nijini upore se nirbhar. So success masan bagai ang mano che borok chakri man kha, success masan bagai ang mano che borok pageant win khai ka, success ang mani pore je nang borok no give back khayo society no give back khayo abo sini ni personality reflect khayo success nang success khai ta mo khai ka life ho. So always try to give back to your community, your folks, your ancestor. That's what I would say to people.
Gaya de sister in spiritual world, spiritual you know writing view sister.
Spiritual.
Religion belief nini opinion.
Okay. I'm a very spiritual and again religious person. Ang onek spiritual ang cerai ni simi no matai rock onek pujo ang ekdom cerai like 3-4 bosor ni simi no ang sketch kayo ani hobbies ang sketching hangkai ang harok bai bo jinis namo like idols rock sanamo ta hangkai cerai ni simi no ani kaisa matai no te ani onek belief tongo hangkai when borok rock ani surrounding go ani borok rock matai no te kuno hamya chaya ba like you know equality inequality religious no te khangang ke I don't really appreciate that because asa spiritual borok ni loge am ting khangang ke that's not a right thing.
Sister some the last day in Pekeba and Tabo coin kindly in Python Kasarm closing notes.
So closing note I would say there's nothing much to say actually chang joto no cover no khai pai ka but as chini kaisa question tong mani Tripura ne hoite like support system I would say support system no kisa nine thang kang kisa support to nang nai no because national lo thang jitina kai support no bishi nang nai so ang tabuk thangai ani patient ngi tongo May ni last yake June ni this year June ni last yake no May ni last yake June ni first week so avani sakang ani voting link rok po phai pai nai like people's choice rok hanai gilama no phai nai subtitle so amrong ni bagi voting so matter khayo tai overall nana thangang ke nang winner nang ke nin voting no bo onek matter khayo. So voting rock no te angke sa sana mo chung voting rock khai di tai ani social media rock bo jodi ano interested no rock interesting person nang sa ke ba you can follow me on Instagram ani social media handle lang khangke db.arya so a jaga thangi ano nai man nai ano follow khai man nai ani journey no tai bo kaham ke bujina hangkang ke so yeah
this is a lot tante ango ani fashion and family ni ani focus
thank you so much
on some best wishes ya parne
thank you
nan kaplang hindi din sini hasteno sini borong tebon busu talangi dan oxonya sister sang din ni orang masalah
thank you so much
belagi hambai time lagi
thank you so much for having me everyone and especially Danishit for the KOTHOK podcast for having me for in this such a wonderful podcast ever thank you so much
HAMBAI nong no paifle HAMBAI norok paithak jora o sini episodes by kereng tongmani bagai au ang poito khlayo norok episodes naimani yakulo norok mungsa sikijang nai content norok bkhaw chubui tlang khana hanai hangke ang haino haino no koinai ang faini hati baroko bo nong bagi abaino unique nyaka special guest onang tumnon try khainai norok choyawi an episodes by kerengi tongdi tau phara norok subscribe khaya kongke consider khaidi subscribe khaina channel no tai bell icon no click ni tapok di notification on khakengke ta male notification bell no click khakengke norgan every week ni katal episodes ang upload khakengke norok notification mannai gangke ang thangte okok na hainai kasar finai let's listen learn and grow together HAMBAI